Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'll walk down towards the front now. Down past Burger King, McDonald's. Have a look around there on this video. .24 degrees, I can see flashing up. A quite warm evening. Nice for getting out, having a walk round. Subway here as well. I mentioned Subway, didn't I? You like your Subway. So over there you got Burger King. This is the one we tend to use now for burgers. Burger King. There's some good offers in there. Over the road. All the shops are open and whatnot. Nice green bar back open. On the end. It's back open as well. It took them a while getting that open. I don't know if they're doing some refurb in there. We're still about 50-50 with these masks. Music going on over there. You get copyrighted on the live stream last night, which is unusual. There's McDonald's. So it suddenly goes quiet somewhere around McDonald's. I don't know why, it just got copyrighted. It's a bit silly, some people can get away with it. I don't seem to be able to. See the bars down here are open as well. I think I've got markers behind me, have I? Yeah. Just checking we don't get run over or anything. But a little bit of lack of people in the bars at the moment, but fairly early coming out. Benidorm Island. You got cable ski there. It's all open in the day now. That's how warm it is, guys. People over there still in the water. Fantastic. time is it, guys?
I think it's about 9 now.
About 9 o'clock, so as you know that's early for coming out in Spain.
9:10.
9, there you are.
You're welcome.
Got the Nadal there, right on the front. Good reports on that one as well. I think we've sorted this the pool out. So according to a friend of ours that came over last week, pool area's up there. I share it with Benny Cactus. That's why we weren't too sure last time I did this film. Just going to have a quick walk down on the rocks. There we go. Lovely summer's evening. Alright guys, these tests are back on now for coming to Spain. That's going to cost a little bit more now, isn't it? PTR, what are they called, Marcus?
PCR test.
PTR test, yeah, I got it right, didn't I? Yeah, so fortunately I think that was pressure from the EU. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Want to see more from Benidorm, watch the one that's coming up in the card now. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.